Good evening. Right here, underneath the starlit sky, a timeless adventure is about to unfold. Inspired by the magic makers, heroes, and dreamers who have come before. Now, unleash your heart, let your imagination fly, and discover just where you'll go as we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
Straight on till morning. The ninth wonder of the universe! The wild bunny flying elephant! Dumbo! Look! Look, Diggity! You're flying! You're flying! Wait till we get to the big town! And I love you.
Dante, you are a real spirit guide. Who's a good spirit guide? You are!
I want to learn the ways of the Force and become a Jedi like my father.
Star Wars!
You've taken your first step into a larger world. That's no moon. It's a space station.
All wings report in.
Red 5 standing by.
Fire! Coming in, point 3.
Watch that crossfire, boys. Watch it, you've got one on your tail.
I have you now.
Commence primary ignition.
Use the Force,
The Force is strong with this one.
You're all clear, kid. Now let's pull this thing and go home.
The Force will be with you, always.
Hero Big Six?
Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion. Baymax, wings. Thrusters. Flying makes me a better healthcare companion.
Hey, you know what? There's another name you might know me by.
Star-Lord.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Dance off, bro.
Come on, Drax. Dance.
There are two types of beings in the universe. Those who dance and those who do not.
I'm gonna die surrounded by the biggest idiots in the galaxy.
Did that look cool?
Yeah, that looked cool.
To infinity and beyond.
There's a place beyond the sky where your stories come alive, and with a leap of faith you might find your spirit guide.
A whole new world full of hope, where new beginnings never get old. You can light the way that seems impossible.
If you're feeling small, you can fly away.
What's this one?
A new adventure's coming your way, and tomorrow's always brighter than yesterday. Let's go
Right where you wanna be,
where the magic feels like family, and you can wish upon a star and never look back. Let's go to a place where dreams come true, and you can be you and the hero too. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Just imagine where you go with dreams that soar.
use the thunder in your heart to prepare you for the dark. Because the path you take ends far from where you start. When it's time to spread your wings, you'll see that everything's in reach. You can change the world if you just believe. If you're feeling small, you can fly away.
A new adventure's coming your way,
And tomorrow's always brighter than yesterday. Right where you wanna be,
where the magic feels like family,
and you can wish upon a star and never look back.
let's go to the place where dreams come true. You can be you and the hero too. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Just imagine where you'll go with dreams that soar.
Remember, there's no limit to how far you can go when you have dreams that soar.
Friends, thank you for joining us for Disney Dreams That Soar, presented by at&t. We hope you enjoy the rest of your evening here at Disney Springs.